I had an extra few minutes and a couple of things on my mind today, and I was searching for some topics for some camping related stuff that we have coming up. One of them is how do I adjust my weight distribution hitch? The other one I was looking at for some interesting food recipes, particularly things that I could put on my smoker and things like that. So I've got a tab open here. You can see I've got three different web pages open, two videos, and an information page on how to look at, assess, and adjust weight distribution hitches. Here I've got several YouTube videos on how to make candied jalapenos and burnt pork belly bites, and smoked salmon, and things of that nature. And since I don't have time to go through each of these and watch them and take notes and assess what I need and figure out how I'm going to get it all done, I have a couple of options. And there's some other tools available, but my favorite for collapsing and saving all of these open tabs is a Chromium extension. So it works in a Chromium browser. I use Brave, and Brave is a Chromium browser, so it works for most of the Chrome extensions, and it's called OneTab. There's a little icon up here, and you'll see that when I click on this icon, it's going to take all the open tabs that I had related to my food and collapse them into a single view where I can open them individually. I can open them all. I can leave them for later, and visit them at my leisure. The same thing with the weight distribution hitch research. I've got three tabs open here. Go back here to one of them, click on the extension icon, and you can see all of my tabs are closed. They're here and available. I can open them individually. I can open them in mass. It's a pretty handy extension. You can get the OneTab extension from the Chrome Web Store if you search the OneTab. And I've already got it installed. If you're installing it for the first time, this will say add to Chrome. I've already got it installed. And like I said, I use it on my Brave browser. There's some details about the uh, privacy and other things. It's a very safe extension and things like that. If you want to have it available for use, you can expose it here by going to the puzzle piece icon here and pin it by using the pin function here. That way it'll be exposed in your browser page and you can use it anytime you want.